शुक्रारा जाल्ले राज्य मंत्रिमंडळाच्या बसकेत रवींद्र भवन ते वास्को एमपीटी हायवे प्रकल्पाक मंजुरी मेळ्ळ्या। वर्णापूर ते सडा 5 किलोमीटर 4 पदरी फ्लायओव्हर या प्रकल्पा खातीर 397 कोटी खर्च करतले। हाचे कंत्राट MCS भोबे हांकां मेळ्ळा अशी माहिती मुखेलमंत्री लक्ष्मीकांत पार्सेकार हांणी दिल्या। IDX गोवा खातीर परवरीच्यान संजय मुनोली।
As authorities engineer for the project of construction, operation and maintenance of balance work for 4-laning of this stretch, what's the stretch? Yeah, no consultant nahi, authorities engineer. एक कितें आसता जाणा, the EPC contract moots a provision of authorities engineer. Authorities engineer is basically a project management consultant now dusre, who is vested with statutory powers of authority to deal with project management. Such procedure is normally adopted when authority itself is preoccupied or does not have experience or expertise to manage the project on its own. Since such conditions were not prevalent, work division number so and so itself assumed the role of authorities engineer. Yes. PWD. It is something 200-300 कोटीचे काम ते. It is 397 crores. 397 crores. फ्लायओव्हर हो न्ही, हांवें जी वदर डिस्टन्स सांगले ती वजा करून काडप 5.200. सगळो फ्लायओव्हर तो उंचा वयल्यान वता.